Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome to the part 2 of Miracle Morning. Praise for the Miracle Morning. The Miracle Morning is so much more than a book. It is a proven methodology that will help you fulfill your potential and create the life you have always wanted. आप ऐसी लाइफ क्रिएट कर सकते हैं जो आप हमेशा चाहते थे. Mel Robbins, New York Times best-selling author, the High Five Habit, and host of award-winning The Mel Robbins Podcast. A wonderful book on the power of a peak morning routine to deliver the consistently excellent days that make a truly amazing life. तो ये बुक जो है अगर हम इसको फॉलो करेंगे हमारी लाइफ अमेजिंग होने वाली है. रॉबिन शर्मा, वर्ल्ड वाइड best-selling author, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, and The 5 AM Club. तो ये प्रोमिनेंट पर्सनालिटीज़ हैं जिन्होंने ये बुक पढ़ी और अपनी लाइफ को ट्रांसफॉर्म किया और बहुत सारे मिरेकल्स क्रिएट किए. ठीक है. Hal Elrod is a genius and his book The Miracle Morning has been magical in my life. What Hal has done with his acronym SAVERS is taken the best practices developed over centuries of human consciousness development and condensed the best of the best into a daily morning ritual, a ritual that is now a part of my day. Robert Kiyosaki, best-selling author, Rich Dad Poor Dad, the number one personal finance book of all time. As a mom, entrepreneur, and professional athlete, the Miracle Morning has been the one routine that has enabled me to show up at my best every day, regardless of which role I am in. Laila Ali, 18-time undefeated world champion boxer and American television personality. ये बहुत बड़ी बड़ी पर्सनालिटीज़ जो हैं मिरेकल मॉर्निंग की तारीफ कर रही हैं तो डेफिनेटली हम लोगों को भी फॉलो करना चाहिए. Hal Elrod has lived a life that would break most people, but somehow he has managed to turn all of his tragedies into a perspective that has allowed him to be incredibly successful in both his personal and professional life. He is a reminder to all of us that if we are willing to do the work, we are capable of true greatness even when the deck is stacked against us. Tom Bilyeu, innovative entrepreneur, host and producer of Impact Theory, coach, speaker, and award-winning screenwriter. ये बड़ी बड़ी पर्सनालिटीज़ ये चीज़ बोल रही हैं तो हमें ज़रूर फॉलो करनी चाहिए. Read the Miracle Morning so you can become the person you need to be to create the life you truly want. It's time you deserve this. जे वर्जिन ये कह रहे हैं यही ये समय है आप ये डिजर्व करते हैं तभी ये बुक आपको मिली है तभी ये वीडियो भी आपको मिलेगा राइट. एंड होस्ट ऑफ वेल बियॉन्ड 40 विद जे वर्जिन पॉडकास्ट. I have known Hall for many years after surviving multiple near death experiences and helping millions of people transform their lives with his books. He is living proof that we can all overcome our challenges to create the life and make the impact we want to make in the world. And this book shows you how. Lewis Howes, New York Times best-selling author, The Greatness Mindset. तो बेस्ट सेलिंग ऑथर तक ये कह रहे हैं कि ये बुक बहुत ज़रूरी है पढ़ना चाहिए. वी शुड ऑल रीड इट diligently. One of my favorite things about Hall is how much he cares about other people. The Miracle Morning was born from the compassion, and the reason it's gone from a book to a movement is that it comes from Hall's heart. If you're one of the people who hasn't read this book yet, then what are you waiting for? It may change more than your mornings. It may actually change your entire life. Joe Polish, founder of Genius Network and Wall Street Journal best-selling author, What's in it for them? ये सब बेस्ट सेलिंग ऑथर्स हैं जो इतनी तारीफ कर रहे हैं इस बुक की. I know of no kinder, more compassionate person than Hall Elrod, and that compassion shines through every page of this book. बहुत तारीफ कर रहे हैं इस बुक की कि हर इस बुक का हर पन्ना उनकी कंपैशन का, उनके प्यार का, उनकी दया का एक सबूत है. The Miracle Morning has become a phenomenon not only because of Hall's practical approach but also because of sincerity of his mission. वो इतने सिंसियर हैं अपने मिशन के को लेकर के कि उन्होंने एक एक चीज बड़ी ईमानदारी से लिखी है. रीड दिस इफ यू वांट योर मॉर्निंग्स एंड योर लाइफ टू बी मिरेकुलस. इस बुक को अगर आप जरूर पढ़िए अगर अपनी आप जिंदगी को मिरेकुलस बनाना चाहते हैं, खूबसूरत बनाना चाहते हैं. The Miracle Morning is a proven method for personal transformation and one that I have not only used in my own life but that I have had Hall teach to my students. Read this book and you will gain the ability to optimize every aspect of your life. Dr. Benjamin Hardy, psychologist and author, Be Your Future Self Now. One of the greatest steps you can take to improve your health is to master your morning routine. The Miracle Morning is the go to book I recommend to everyone to learn an effective step by step process to transform your life. Before the sun comes up, I love Hall's heart, his mission, and his desire to heal the world one morning at a time. Dr. Mindy Pell's international best-selling author, Fast Like a Girl and the Menopause Reset. If you are going to listen to what anyone has to say about miracles, अगर आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में ऐसा कुछ सुनना चाहते हैं कि उनकी ज़िंदगी में बहुत मिरेकल्स क्रिएट हुए, इट शुड बी हॉल एलरोड. हॉल एलरोड की ये बुक आपको पढ़नी चाहिए, सुननी चाहिए. Dave Asprey, founder of Bulletproof Coffee and four-time New York Times best-selling author, including The Bulletproof Diet and Superhuman. I have been following Hall Elrod's words, his life, his inspiration, ever since he has first begun writing about the miracle morning after changing the lives of millions, including my own. It is truly a gift Hall has given us by writing this new and expanded edition. The Miracle Morning has truly changed my life. James Altucher, Wall Street Journal best-selling author of Choose Yourself and host of the James Altucher Show. तो ये कह रहे हैं बहुत लोगों की लाइफ इस बुक ने चेंज की है. A miracle morning practice can be foundational for the success you want to create in your life. The miracle morning will enable you to develop the habits you will come to rely on as you live into your vision. Honore Corder, publishing strategist, author of 50 plus books, including Write Your First Non-Fiction Book. The first thing on my calendar each day is my miracle morning routine. I can't even begin to tell you how much this daily ritual has transformed my life. It's simple, science baked, and the results will speak for themselves. If you want to take control of your life and write the story you want, the miracle morning is your blueprint to do it. अगर आप अपनी लाइफ को ज़िंदगी को 360 डिग्री टर्न करना चाहते हैं तो इस बुक को आप बिल्कुल लकीर के फ़कीर बन के फॉलो करिए. शॉन स्टीवेंसन, बेस्ट सेलिंग ऑथर, Eat Smarter and Sleep Smarter. Hall Elrod is someone who walks his talk and has overcome insurmountable challenges, providing that you can do the same and live the life of your dreams. Give yourself the gift of reading the Miracle Morning and create the life you want. Neka Pasquale, founder and chief product officer at Urban Remedy. Fellow seekers of enlightenment, allow me to speak of one who has dedicated his life to the elevation of humanity's consciousness. Hall Elrod has authored many illuminating works, but his latest is truly a masterpiece. What strikes me most is that Hall writes as if he is speaking directly to you. हॉल ऐसे लिखते हैं जैसे कि वो हमसे खुद बात कर रहे हो, and it is magical. It's a it is it's as though we were sitting together chatting over a warm cup of tea, and I asked him how to transform my life. ऐसा लगता है मुझे ये बुक पढ़ के कि जैसे मैं उनसे रूबरू होके बात कर रही हूँ और वो मुझे कुछ समझा रहे हैं जिंदगी के बारे में. This book is his answer, my friend. Within its pages lies the roadmap to unlocking your true potential and creating the life you desire by eliminating the path to your true self. Through his teachings, millions have empowered to harness their power within and elevate their consciousness each and every day. Hall Road is a beacon of light in this world, guiding us all towards a brighter future. Embrace his wisdom in this sacred text and unlock your true potential and let it transform your life as it has mine. Drew Kinol, father and founder of CEO of Organifi. तो बहुत सारे राइटर्स ने और सेलिब्रिटीज़ ने उनके बारे में लिखा है, बताया है इस बुक में, और इस बुक के मैजिक्स के बारे में बताया है. तो ज़रूर आप भी चाहेंगे अपने लाइफ में मैजिक्स क्रिएट करना. द मिरेकल मॉर्निंग इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट बुक बिकॉज एवरी वंस मॉर्निंग इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. जैसे कि आपकी भी मॉर्निंग बहुत ज़रूरी है, एंड नॉट ऑलवेज एट द सेम टाइम. हॉल हैज़ लुक्ड एट द साइंस, made some of his own discoveries, and worked with me to improve his sleep, which we see reflected in this awesome updated version. As a top sleep expert, I see this as critical step in everyone's overall health. I am especially excited to see the new section on elevating consciousness one morning at a time. This is how dreams really do come true, and I should know as the sleep doctor. Michael J. Breus, PhD founder of thesleepdoctor.com. The next best thing to knowing Hall Elrod personally is reading one of his books. Reading The Miracle Morning is like having Hall by your side, helping you transform your life. Cody Sank is founder of Contrarian Thinking. So it is the best selling book. You must read and go through, और इसको ज़रूर सुनते रहिए and keep on listening to it. एक बार ख़त्म हो जाए फिर दोबारा सुनिए, practices करिए. The Miracle Morning sets you up for success in every area of your life by giving you a simple proven framework for personal development. Even if you don't consider yourself to be a morning person, चाहे आप ज़िंदगी में सुबह कभी ना उठे हों और आप उम्मीद भी नहीं करते अपने आप से, पर फिर भी आप इस बुक को पढ़ें और सुनें और अपने अंदर काम करेंगे तो चेंजेस भी देखेंगे. Dan Martel, WSJ best-selling author, Buy Back Your Time. Ever since I read this book, I have devoted my morning routine to include everything Hall teaches. The Miracle Morning has been nothing short of transformative for me. It will do the same for you. Everything you need is in this book. Your practice, your best life starts now. So you need this book if you want to transform your life. आपको ये book चाहिए ही चाहिए, आपको ये सुननी चाहिए ज़रूर. Mike, best-selling author, Profit First and All In. The Miracle Morning has been the key to loving my life, feeling fulfilled, and developing skills, self-awareness, and personal power. By starting my day this way, I've created more abundance and handled some of the most difficult circumstances and times. My life is filled with more wealth thanks to the Miracle Morning. मेरी ज़िंदगी वेल्थ से, खुशियों से भर गई है। ये बोल रहे हैं गार्नेट गंडरसन, न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स एंड वॉल स्ट्रीट जर्नल बेस्ट सेलिंग ऑथर है ये। The millions of people who have already transformed their lives after reading The Miracle Morning prove that you can change your life simply by changing the way you start your day. तो आपको बहुत सिंपल चीज करनी है, आप जिस तरीके से अपना दिन की शुरुआत करते हैं बस उसको चेंज करना है हमने, ठीक है। एंड एनीथिंग हॉल डज इज अ गेम चेंजर बिकॉज हिज हार्ट इज सो गुड। यहाँ ये इस बुक के राइटर की बहुत तारीफ की जा रही है, उनको कहा जा रहा है कि वो इतने अच्छे हैं कि उन्होंने ये सीक्रेट्स हमारे साथ शेयर किए और हम अपनी लाइफ इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं। केथी हेलर, बेस्ट सेलिंग ऑथर ऑफ डोंट कीप योर डे जॉब and host the Kathy Heller podcast. Okay, all right. So tomorrow I will see you with the next part. Thank you.